All right, you guys, we're super excited about today's video because as you guys know, we're very selective with our partnerships and we don't just partner with anyone. We really need to really believe in the company.
And be super passionate about it.
Exactly. And Modern Fertility is one of those companies, you guys, because as you know, we've told you guys about our fertility struggles throughout the years and we've shared a lot. And I really, really wish that this company was around when we were going through our struggles because I feel like it would save us a lot of time in the peak years.
A lot of money.
Exactly.
So we're going to tell you guys a little bit about how these specific kits work and why we think it's perfect for all women. So what is Modern Fertility? If you are considering having children one day, are ready to conceive, or have been trying, this is an at-home kit that you can do, and it literally takes blood samples from you. You send it in the convenience of your own home. You can send these samples in, you wait 10 days, you get your results, and it's really, really cool because they have a portal online and all of your results are there. So you get a really clear idea of like what is going on, where you stand. Do you need to maybe start seeking go to the doctor? Do you need to start seeking fertility treatments? How is your reserve? It gives you so much clarity. And this is something that I feel like every woman should know. Even if you're not like, I'm ready to have kids today, the clarity that it's going to give you is just, it's mind-blowing.
You guys, what's cool about this is that you get to basically go to a fertility doctor without going to a fertility doctor. And as you guys know, fertility treatments are super expensive.
They're so expensive, especially if your insurance doesn't cover it, and most insurances honestly don't.
And once you start going to a fertility doctor, it's just like you're literally just burning cash.
One test snowballs into another. Before you know it, it's like $1,000, $1,500. It's literally endless.
And that's the cool thing about this test is that it's $159, and you basically get the results that you would pay like over $1,500 for at a fertility specialist.
I'm going to take the test myself, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what it entails. I already registered my product online, and it informed me that I should take this test on day 3 of my period. So TMI, it's day 3 of my period. So it comes in a little packet and it gives you everything that you need, and it also comes with a prepaid package that you're going to use to send in your samples. First thing I'm going to do is fill out this little card so that they have all of my information. I'm going to take my alcohol wipe and clean my finger. The first blood that comes out, I'm actually going to wipe away. And they are going to provide everything that you need. And then I'm going to, without touching the strip, start to collect my blood samples. And it's okay if it takes a couple of minutes for your blood to come through. Everyone is different. So I've now had enough blood that it's seeped all the way through. So that's actually just enough blood that's been collected now that it's ready to dry and be sent in. So what happens after you send in your sample? About 10 days later, your results are going to be uploaded into your own dashboard and you register for everything online. And it's really cool because at that point you have access to a fertility team if you have any questions, which is amazing. You have a customized dashboard that tells you what your egg reserve is, your hormone levels, if you have any
hormone levels relating to
PCOS, which is very, very common. 1 in 10 women actually have PCOS. And it just kind of gives you a broader window into your health, just so you know what to expect. You're not flying into your fertility blind, which is so, so helpful. I honestly, truly think that everyone should take this test. It's $159. We actually have a discount code that we asked for just so we can share it with you guys. Because if you do this test at a clinic, like we mentioned before, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. And this is just such a modern way to do it.
Yeah, and it's something everyone should definitely do. Just to know, your general hormone health. I think it's very important to know because women often, we don't take care of ourselves enough. So I think the fact that it's at home, it takes minutes.
Yeah.
It's really not worth not doing it.
Okay, so it's been an hour. My blood sample is completely dry. I opened up the bag. There are stuff inside. Do not take out the contents. Put your sample in, seal it really, really well. Put some muscle into it. Okay. And then I'm going to put it in this
Pre-labeled shipping.
Pre-labeled, prepaid shipping bag, and I'm going to drop it in the mail. It's super important that you drop it into the mail the same day so that they can start working
processing
on your fertility results. Like we mentioned, there's a $20 discount code. We're going to put that link below in the description. So make sure
$20 off is $139. It's almost not worth not doing it.
So make sure to take advantage of that link. And as soon as I get my test results back, I'm actually going to share these results on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following us on Insta so you can see exactly what happens after.
It's going to say, girl, good thing you're done having babies.
Let's see what happens.
See you guys next
We'll
time.
see you guys. Bye.